What's up? Hope you guys doing great. My name is Fardaus Sahel. Welcome to my channel. In this video with Google Sheets, we're going to learn how to use the data cleanup with Google Sheets in data menu. So the first option under data cleanup is cleanup suggestions. But before I'm going to click at that, so here we have this table number ID and with sales. So I'm going to select this and click on cleanup suggestions. So now as you can see the suggestions for F11. So the space as you can see for F12, for F13. So I can ignore this or you can just click on trim all. I'm not going to click to trim all because I'm going to use the next option here, which is the remove duplicates and trim white spaces. So you can find white spaces when you click on cleanup suggestions. First we are going to click on trim white spaces. Let's select this, the sales, and with the data menu click on trim white spaces. So as you can see, white spaces is removed. Now I'm going to select this number ID. I want to remove the duplicate. Here we have two duplicates, which is 12 AD and the second. We want to remove duplicates when we need to go to this data menu. With data cleanup, we need to click on remove duplicates. So now for remove duplicates, you can see we can check this option, which data has header row and also columns to analyze. Select all, so column E is only selected. So now let's click on remove duplicates. One duplicate row found and removed. 4 unique rows remain. Now click on OK. So this is how we can use this data cleanup with data menu with Google Sheets. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned. And if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. So see you guys in the next video.